Hello everyone, my name is Shelby and this is the Shelby channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about nude pictures. When a guy asks me for nude pictures, I'm like, you're tripping. I don't do that. I have more respect for myself. And if you really care about me, you won't ask for them. I think guys who ask for them are rude and obnoxious. So ladies, if the guy asks you for nude pictures, be like, fuck you, bruh, fuck you. No, I ain't gonna do it. Just don't do it. Because, you know, if it falls into the wrong hands and you get hacked like I have been, people will post them and then you'll be humiliated. So I don't want that to happen to you ladies. So if I were you, I wouldn't send it to anyone. Not even if you love them. They can see your body in person. Now what I'm saying, no pictures. Nude pictures, out of the question. Well, that's it today. And you guys, stop asking for nude pictures. Like, what the fuck you think? We're not porn stars, you know. We have a lot more respect for ourselves. So if you really care about a girl, you wouldn't ask for nude pictures. And if you still ask for nude pictures, then there's something wrong with you. Well, that's it for today. Shelby Channel. Bye.